Let's talk today about an herb that I love growing. This herb has many medicinal benefits and it is beautiful in your garden. It is so good that I feel this is one of those herbs that is a must-have on every homestead. These tiny yellow and white flowers give an array of color, are great for bees, and have a scent of apples and pears. What is this amazing and wonderful herb? It's chamomile. Chamomile can grow as an annual or a perennial. It all depends on the type you grow. If you grow German chamomile, you can expect it to be an annual, but it will give a slightly stronger medicinal effect. On the other hand, there is Roman chamomile. Roman chamomile is a perennial and will come back year after year. It isn't as potent as German chamomile, but it tends to be less bitter, blooms longer, and makes many more flowers. The flowers are the medicine of the plant. It has a soothing and calming effect on the mind and body. Most people know it is great for sleep, but it has many more benefits. It also acts as an antispasmodic, antibiotic, and antifungal. It is also an antiviral. It can stimulate the immune system and it can help with anxiety attacks, menstrual cramps, the liver, digestion, colic, vomiting, diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, the kidneys, muscle spasms, and rashes. It can even help with sciatic pain, especially if you combine it with copper. This tiny little herb packs a powerful punch in the realm of natural medicine. I encourage you to grow this herb on your homestead and see how wonderful it is to have medicine in your own yard. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.